Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be a quick unboxing of the latest item that I have purchased. So if you're interested to know what that item is, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. By the way, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Roma and it is so nice to meet you. So like I have mentioned at the beginning of the video, I am just going to do a quick unboxing of this item and then I'm going to give you some specs about it and also a quick backstory of why I have opted for this specific one. So without further ado, let's get on to the unboxing. Okay, so I actually purchased the item from Saint Laurent. Indeed, finally, there's a Saint Laurent boutique here in Brussels, and it was about time. So, without further ado, it arrived in this black paper bag, and then inside I have the item, which is inside this black box, which mentions Saint Laurent, of course. And then in here, let me just open it. The care paper, and then in here we have the black pouch, and then inside is none other than the, there you go, it's the Cassandre belt, and this one is in the black soft calfskin leather. Okay, so just quick specs about the belt. So this is the Cassandre thin belt with square buckle, and it is in the smooth leather. So this is a narrow belt with a square buckle featuring a Saint Laurent Cassandre loop. So the dimension is 2 centimeters, so 0.7 inches. It has a gold toned metal hardware, adjustable buckle fastening, and this is a 100% calfskin leather, and it is made in Italy. So the one that I have, like I've mentioned, is in the smooth leather, but it does exist in other leathers such as crocodile leather, grained leather, as well as in suede. It also exists in different colors. So the belt looks like this all the way through, and then it has 5 holes, and then at the back you just have the Saint Laurent mentioned there, and then in here you also have the Saint Laurent, and then if I'm not mistaken in the middle you have the details of the belt as well as where it is made from, and then that's it. I think there's no, you cannot see the size, but the one that I got is in the size 80, and this one currently retails for 350 euros, and I'm not sure, I think there might be some price increase because when I checked this out at the Bijenkorf in Amsterdam as well as here in Brussels, on the tag it has a price tag of 395 euros, but I still able to score it for 350 because the SA, when I went at the boutique, he also mentioned that it was still 350, same price as on the website. But since on the tag it has already changed, I think that in a few weeks time or months time it will have a price increase, so from 350 to 395. So there you have it. Okay, so now just a quick backstory of why I have opted for the Saint Laurent Cassandre belt. So at first I was actually debating between the Saint Laurent one and then the one from Celine, which is the Celine Triomphe belt in the teen size, and then I was also debating with the Loewe, the anagram one, the reversible one, and at the end of the day I have opted for the Saint Laurent for a few reasons. First and foremost, I have opted for this instead of the Celine one because this is way cheaper than the Celine one. If I'm not mistaken, the Celine one is over 400 euros, so I was like, okay, I'm going to go with the Saint Laurent, and then with the Loewe, which I really like because it's reversible. So 2 belts in one. But the thing is, I want to try it first. And since I don't have a Loewe boutique near my place, well, at least in Belgium, I have to go to Paris to be able to try one. I was like, okay, I don't want to, you know, buy and then send out. So yeah, that's why I have opted for this one. And also, even though I wanted the Loewe one, it's not possible because the color combo that I wanted is not available online. I have to be notified first for its availability before I'll be able to purchase it. So I was like, okay, you know what? Let's go with the Saint Laurent since there's a boutique here in Brussels, and then I'll be able to try it. And if I like it, then that's it. So yeah, those are the first reasons why I have opted for this brand instead of the Celine one and instead of the Loewe one. And then another reason is I wanted to have a black belt, even though I know I already have some black belts in my collection. It's the fact that I don't have this brand yet. So yeah, it's a good addition to my belt collection. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I'll be uploading another video with my belt collection, so be sure to check that video out. So yeah, I wanted to have this brand so I can add it to my collection. And then another reason also is I wanted not just a black belt but also a smooth calfskin leather, because like I've mentioned, it also exists in grained leather, but I wanted a smooth one because I think that the smooth one will enables me to wear it not only casually but also formally. So yeah, that's why I wanted a black one and a smooth leather one, because it's easier to wear it when I'll be wearing formal attire. So yeah, those are the reasons for why this color and why this leather. And then lastly, I also opted for the size 80 because normally I wear a size 75. Well, most of my belts are in size 75, but that size is mainly for high-waisted belt, or you know, when I put the belt just around my waist or over a coat and such. And I wanted something that I will be able to use with mid-rise or low-waist pants. And I think the only belt that I have with that is the Celine one that I have, which is just one size belt, and also the Gucci Marmont, and which is quite thick. And I wanted, you know, a slim one so it will be more formal, even though it's maybe a casual pant. So yeah, I opted for the size 80 because also, as you can see in here, this one has 5 holes, and with 5 holes I'll be able to wear this low waist as well as mid waist with the size 80. I think I'll be able to use this hole or maybe the last hole, but at the same time I can also wear this for if I want to wear high-waisted pants, and then in that case I'll be able to use this 3 holes in here. So yeah, that's the advantage of having a belt with 5 holes in comparison to some belts that only have 3 holes. You will just be, you know, you have to be sure with what size you'll be buying if you buy a belt with 3 holes, in comparison that if it's 5 holes, you have more ways to use it, because it ranges from, let's say here is 80, so normally in here it will be 75, and then in here it will be 85. So yeah. So those were the reasons and also the backstory of why I have opted for the Saint Laurent Cassandre tin belt. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you some mod shots of how I'll be wearing this belt and how I will accessorize my outfits with this belt. So enjoy! Guys, that was the quick unboxing and reveal of my Saint Laurent Cassandre tin belt. If you've enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And if you have any questions about the belt, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below. And also be sure to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you will be notified for my future videos, and keep an eye on the video about my belt collection. So until then, I wish you all a pleasant day and see you soon. Take care. Bye.
you.